Terminal looks intimidating the first time you open it. Just a window with a command prompt waiting for your first command. But once you know 5 basic commands, you'll use it all the time. Let's go through them. Open terminal. Press Command plus space, type terminal, and press return. Or open applications, then utilities. Then terminal. A window opens with a command prompt. It shows your username and the current folder you're in. The first thing to know is how to figure out where you are in the file system. Where am I? Type pwd and press enter. Pwd stands for Print Working Directory. It shows you the full path of the folder you're currently in, such as /users/your name. Think of it as the terminal equivalent of the folder path you see in Finder. Now let's see what's actually in that folder. See what's here, ls. Type ls and press return. This lists all the files and folders in your current location. If you want to see hidden files as well, the ones that start with a dot, type ls-la instead. That gives you a more detailed view, including hidden files, permissions, file sizes, and modification dates. Next is how you move between folders. Navigate. CD. Type CD followed by a folder name, for example, CD desktop. Then press return. Type cd space ... to go back one folder. Or type cd space tilde to jump straight back to your home folder. That's one of the most useful shortcuts to remember. Now let's create files and folders. Create files and folders. Type touch filename.txt, then press return to create a new empty file. Type mkdir space folder name to create a new folder. These are simple commands, but they're useful for organizing files, creating project folders, and working with code. Before we finish, one important safety note. Never copy and run a terminal command from the internet unless you understand what it does. Be especially careful with commands that use sudo or rm-rf, since they can permanently delete files or make changes to your Mac. Always check what a command does before pressing return. Those 5 commands, pwd, lsd, touch, and macdir, will get you a long way. The more you use terminal, the more natural it feels. Subscribe for more Mac and developer tips.